JB Weld Pro Series Clear, Quick-Setting Epoxy is a powerful two-part epoxy designed for strong, long-lasting bonds. Before application, roughen the surface with a file or sandpaper and clean thoroughly for optimal adhesion. Unscrew the retainer nut and open the cartridge by removing the closure plug. Remove the static mixers from the cartridge. Set the extra aside and remove the packing clip from the mixer you're going to use. Screw on the static mixer and load the cartridge into a caulking gun with an 18:1 thrust ratio. Dispense and discard the first inch of material to ensure proper mixing. Apply the product in a bead, even coat, or extruded shape. A spreader can be used for even distribution. The bond sets in 7 minutes and fully cures in 90 minutes. When finished, we recommend leaving the mixer nozzle on to harden. Then, when ready to reuse, replace it with a new one. If leaving the mixer on is not an option, thoroughly clean the opening and the plug before reinserting to prevent any cross-contamination that would prevent future use. JB Weld Pro Series, built for the professional.